Hey everybody, this is just a quick video if you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F15 error. So what is the F15 fault code and how to get rid of it? So the F15 fault code is a water intake error, but it's specifically to the hot water line. So if you have a separate hot water line intake into your washing machine and it's not able to get water in your hot water line, then it will throw up this F15 error. So the troubleshooting to fix this F15 error is the same for any water intake error. It's just that you're going to focus on the hot water portion of your washing machine, which is, and the basic standard steps is starting at the valve, obviously making sure that there's water to your house, but after that it's going to come to the hot water, where the hot water valve is, and make sure it's turned all the way open, all the way to the left, and then checking your hot water line and making sure there are no kinks or bends, or it's not smushed, like if you push the washing machine too hard against the wall and it can kind of pinch it and then the water can't get through. You can also check any filters, screens in the line and make sure there's no buildup of debris that will be preventing water from flowing into the washing machine. And if you're able to check all those things, you should be able to get the water flowing again, your hot water flowing again into your machine. Get rid of this error, get your machine working again. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.